We recommend you take the Auto-Tune 3-minute hearing test with the medium-sized open ear domes that are already installed on your hearing aids. Everyone has different size ear canals. You will have to decide which type of ear dome and size works best for you. We also suggest you wear your Sontro hearing aids for a couple of hours before making a final decision on ear dome fit for everyday use. Ear dome replacement can require a bit more force than you may initially think. Step 1. Hold the receiver base with your thumb and forefinger and insert your thumb fingernail of your other hand between the base of the ear dome and the multiple ribbed flange spout of the receiver. Firmly peel the ear dome off the ribbed flange spout of the receiver. Step 2. Hold the receiver with your thumb and forefinger and firmly push the new dome over the ribbed flange spout on the receiver with your thumb and forefinger of your other hand. Make sure that the new dome is properly and securely mounted.